you want to shoot down Gutesa from the very onset of what he was saying, fine. Kung yun ang tingin ng Senate Committee, okay lang din sa akin, no? It's up to them. But if you want to really look into the details of what he was saying, if this is true, and check where this money is coming, hindi ka natin alam kung saan yung galing yung pera eh. You know, for all intents and purposes, baka kung saan naman yun. But if this is really the flood control money, or money coming from infrastructure projects, then I think it's also incumbent upon the officials to check on what he was saying.
I guess when you read when we went through the statements made by Gutesa, hindi ho ba? Sabi nga niya, meron po silang group chat nga, kaya there were times na siya po yung kasama sa pag-deliver ng tawag po nila basura. Paminsan nakikita niya checking their chat group that there were deliveries also of basuras na wala po siya doon. But if you have Congressman Martin Romualdez saying this, siguro better to say it, quote it. The most telling flaw is the witnesses' claim that deliveries were made to McKinley beginning December 2024. Imposible yan. The property has been under renovation since January 2024. I stand corrected there. Sabi ko,
money. Did you really deliver in that address? Did you deliver in another address? Once they have that, it's finished. I don't think it would take rocket science to establish these facts or this case, for that matter, yung investigasyon nila, kung talagang gusto nila.
posible ho bang nagkamali kaya si Sergeant Gutesa?
I really can't say, Pinky, pero klaro din naman yung sinabi niya, di ba? I delivered in this address, ito yung gate.
He mentioned the number.
Yeah, and then we do it 3 times a week. Kung